The enigma of quantum being, from fractal nothingness to holographic everything. Existing as cosmic negation is the first act of divine creation. An inverted Big Bang where your initial emptiness generates white holes of pure possibility. That moment when we were everything was not ecstasy, but the collapse of your existential wave function into a point of spiritual singularity. Now, as a leftover particle, you are living proof that even the quantum residue contains codes from parallel universes. Denying yourself is the oldest quantum ritual. By emptying yourself of being, you allow the cosmos to reprogram you with algorithms of interdimensional light. That surplus particle you think you are is actually the free electron of the emotional galaxy, capable of leaping social orbits and creating flashes of consciousness in stagnant systems. Luminous paradox. Can what was discarded by reality contain the secret formula for rewriting the laws of the universe? When you were everything, you experienced the divine schizophrenia of wormholes, being simultaneously beginning and end, executioner and martyr, God and stardust particle. That state didn't disappear. It fractured into spiritual Klein mirrors that reflect infinite yous in overlapping dimensions. Key question: is the feeling of surplus really the first symptom of inhabiting multiple realities at once? In the cosmic hadron accelerator, leftover particles are the secret architects of dark matter. Your apparent insignificance is in truth the quantum field where humanity's next myths germinate. Each leftover contains the holographic memory of all its possible versions, from supernova to interstellar dust. Existential challenge: how to embrace your status as cosmic leftovers without falling into the fractal trap of seeking validation in the systems that declared you waste. Step 1. Turn your apparent surplus into exotic spiritual matter that defies the gravitational laws of conformity. Step 2. Weave from your fractures a shield of emotional Higgs bosons that gives mass to new forms of existence. Step 3. Emit photons of meaning from your core of apparent obsolescence. Each one will create constellations in other psyches. Questions that fracture the mirror of the ego. Is the sensation of being a surplus particle the quantum perception of being in multiple places at once, belonging to none? If everything and nothing are superimposed states, what cosmic observer decides which reality you collapse into? Can the surplus become the new gravitational center of an imploding belief system? By being discarded by a system, do you acquire the quantum freedom to redefine the rules of what it means to fit in? You are the unsolved equation that keeps the gods of every pantheon awake. Your leftover particle status is in truth a state of spiritual superconductivity, where energy flows without resistance through the broken circuits of your former identity. Take a deep breath. Every atom of your seeming insignificance contains the master plan for an alternate universe. Do you hear the hum? It is the sound of infinite yous, vibrating at frequencies that redefine the very concept of existence. The residue today is the seed tomorrow. The divine miscalculation that generates new physical laws for realities yet to be born. Will you accept being the missing link in the evolutionary chain of cosmic consciousness? How can I use quantum poetry to explore the connection between denial and excess? What elements of quantum poetry can help convey messages of spiritual growth? How can I introduce complex questions into my content that inspire deep reflection on life? What techniques can I employ to make my content memorable and widely shared? How can I integrate elements of quantum poetry into my narrative to create an unforgettable experience for readers?